Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. Today we are going to create exercise number 55, and in this exercise we will use the swept bows to create first this line portion, and after we will use extruded bows to create this flange portion. So let's create on SolidWorks. Select new, select part and apply OK. Select front plane and go to sketch. Select a line command and draw lines like that. Select smart dimension and it is 20.75 plus 50.25 and it is 50. And now select fillet, apply fillet here and radius is 18.75. Apply OK. Now go to features and select swept bows and select circular profile and select this curve and it is 25. And now select shell, select this face, select this face. Okay, it is 25, more than that. No, it is 35. It is 25. So now go to shell and here is a 2.5 mm. Show preview and apply OK. Now select front plane. OK. Select right plane and go to sketch. Okay, the better one is this. Select this face and go to sketch. Sketch and select this face and convert entity. Convert this circle and now select circle and draw two circles. And outer one has a 57.5 diameter and this middle one has 47.5 and it is also a construction geometry, so convert it into the construction geometry. Now select the circle and draw circle one here and diameter of this circle is 5 mm. And now go to circular pattern, select this one and apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded bows, reverse the direction and it is 5 mm only. Apply OK. Now select top plane and go to sketch, select circle and draw two circles here. Both circles are concentric to each other, so apply concentric. Okay, just deselect it, delete this one and now apply concentric. And distance from here is 20.75 and diameter of this inner one is 15 and this outer one is a 20. And now select this center and select this origin and make horizontal. Now go to features and select extruded bows and here select offset and the offset is 28.75 and reverse the direction and here select up to next and apply OK. Now select extruded cut and select the same sketch and go to here and clear selection first and select this and reverse the direction and here up to next, apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch, select convert entities and convert this one and here select center line and draw one center line like that. Now select the mirror entities and select this one. Now select circle and draw two circle here and the distance between these two center is 33 and this diameter of this outer one is 10 mm 5 mm. And now select this and make vertical. Wait, select this one and make vertical. And now select circle and draw one circle here. And diameter of this circle is 25. Apply OK. Now select line and draw one line like that. Make sure this line is tangent to both circle. If it is not, then we need to apply the tangency to it. So let's apply tangency, and here make tangent. Select this line and select this circle and make tangent. Now again select line and draw lines like that, and select this line, and okay, here tangency is there. Select this circle and make tangent. Now select trim entities and trim this whole thing, and also trim here. And now go to features and select extruded boss, and it is just 3.75, and reverse the direction. Apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch. Select rectangle. First of all, convert the entities. Convert this entity, and now select this one and apply here. Select smart division, and it is 50. And select this line and select this line and make equal. Now select fillet and apply all 4 corners. And it is 5 mm only. Now select circle and draw 4 circles like that, and all circles are equal. So apply equal here, and now the dimension of this circle is 5 mm, diameter is. Apply OK. Now go to feature and select extruded boss and reverse the direction. It is 5 mm. And now select right plane and go to sketch. Select circle and draw circles. Draw 2 circles here. The outer one has diameter 20 mm and inner one has 50 mm. And distance from this edge is 17.5 mm. Now select this circle, center of these circles, and select this origin and make vertical. Now go to features and select extruded boss, and here apply offset, and it is 20.75 plus 50.25 plus 36.25, and just reverse the direction of that, and it is how much it is, I think up to next, but there is no option of up to next, so select up to surface and select this surface and apply OK. Now select explode cut and select the same sketch and here go to contour and clear the selections and select this one, and here select from surface, and this is the surface, and here select up to next and apply OK. Now go to solid bodies, select this cut extrude 2 and select body, and apply this one, apply OK. Now our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.